Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Stories. I'm happy you are here today. This video is made especially for you if you want to learn English faster, speak more confidently, and think in English naturally. Today, we will practice English using a very powerful method called the shadowing technique. Here's how it works. I will tell you a touching and emotional story sentence by sentence. First, listen carefully to each sentence, then pause the audio and repeat after me, just like a shadow follows a person. Try to copy the sound, the rhythm, and the emotion. This method trains your brain to understand and speak English naturally. Are you ready? Let's begin our story. My name is Emma Miller, and this is the story of how I loved my best friend and found true love in the most unexpected way. I am a young American girl. I grew up in a big, beautiful house with my father. My father is a very successful businessman. He is strict, serious, and always busy. He wants the best for me, but sometimes he does not listen to my heart. I love studying. Education is very important to me. My biggest dream is to become a doctor and help people. I study hard every day and I believe in my dreams. I also have a best friend. His name is Jake Miller. We have known each other since we were children. We grew up together, we studied together, we laughed together. Jake has always been by my side. Jake and I go to the same university. We study together, walk home together, and talk about everything. He understands me better than anyone else. One afternoon, I come home from university. My father is sitting in the living room waiting for me. His face looks serious. My heart starts beating faster. "Emma, sit down," he says. "I need to talk to you." I sit down slowly. My father looks at me and says, "A very important businessman works with me. His son is coming to our house for dinner tonight. He wants to meet you." I feel confused. "Why does he want to meet me?" I ask. My father answers, "Because I have planned a marriage between you two. You will marry him." My heart sinks. "Dad, no," I say softly. "I am too young. I want to study. I want to become a doctor. I am not ready for marriage." But my father does not listen. This marriage is good for our family and our business. That night, the dinner happens. They talk about the wedding, the future, and business. Nobody asks what I want. I feel invisible. After dinner, I go to my room and call Jake. My hands are shaking. "Jake," I say, "my father wants me to marry someone I don't love." Jake is shocked. "That's terrible, Emma. What will you do?" "I don't know," I cry. "My father already planned everything. The wedding is next month." Jake says firmly, "We need to think of something." The days pass very quickly. My father plans the wedding. Dresses, guests, invitations. I feel like a prisoner in my own house. The night before the wedding arrives. I lock my door and call Jake again. "Jake," I whisper, crying, "I cannot marry him. I don't love him." There is silence. Then Jake says, "Then we leave tonight. We run away." I stop breathing for a moment. "Are you serious?" I ask. "Yes," he says. "Pack your bag. Trust me." At midnight, Jake comes. I quietly climb out of my window. My heart is pounding, but I feel alive. We run to the train station and get on the train. As the train starts moving, fear slowly turns into freedom. I look at Jake. "Thank you for saving me," I say. Jake smiles gently. "You are my best friend, Emma. I will always protect you." We travel for many hours. Finally, we arrive in a small, quiet village. We walk through the village and see a small bakery. An old woman is standing outside. Jake asks politely, "Excuse me, can we buy some bread?" The woman smiles kindly. "Of course, come inside." The bakery smells warm and sweet. The woman asks where we come from and we tell her everything. She listens carefully. Then she says, "You are brave. You can stay here. Help me in the bakery and I will give you food and a place to sleep." Her name is Margaret. She becomes like a grandmother to us. We start working in the bakery. Jake makes the dough every morning. I decorate cakes and help customers. Weeks turn into months. We work hard, but we are happy. One night, a big storm comes. The power goes out. The bakery becomes dark. I scream in fear. Jake finds me and holds me tightly. "I'm here," he whispers. "You're safe." In that moment, something changes in my heart. I realize that I love Jake, not just as a friend. Later, danger comes to the village, but the villagers protect us. That night, Jake holds my hand and says, "Emma, I love you." Tears fill my eyes. "I love you too," I say. We stay in the village. We open our own bakery together. People love our bread. We get married in the village church. Years later, we have a beautiful daughter named Rose. One day, my father comes to the bakery. He apologizes. He tells me he is proud of me. I forgive him. I finally feel complete. My name is Emma Miller. I ran away from a forced life, but I ran towards my true destiny. This is my story. This is my happy ending. Now, it's your turn. Go back and repeat the story sentence by sentence. Practice every day. Use the shadowing technique and your English will become clear, natural, and confident. Thank you for learning with Daily English Stories. See you in the next lesson.